Hello everyone, welcome back to Sistita Learning. Ever opened LinkedIn and thought, wait, when did I start following 3,000 companies? I swear, half my feed is just congratulations to this company for opening a new office in Bengaluru. Well, if your LinkedIn also has turned into a corporate jungle, today I'll show you how to unfollow all LinkedIn pages at once, safely with just few lines of code, no shady extensions, no account ban, just clean JavaScript magic. So first you open your LinkedIn desktop, then go to this following. Where we get that, you go to My Network, then you get this pages. So you don't have this bulk option of unfollowing right here. You have to do it one by one. Click on, then it asks for the confirmation button. So if you follow more than 3 and 4, it is time consuming. So what you can do is just do a right click on inspect, or as if you're a developer, Control Shift I. So you get this console, right? So once we get this console, I'll paste one code in the description. You can use that. So I'll paste that code here. So this is a simple code. If you want to know details, it's simple. Let's see what this uh, code does. What did I just enter in my browser? You might be thinking. So this initial part, right? This is all pure JavaScript. So this tells the browser find me every button on this page, but only keep the ones that literally say following. So this one, right? So we want to unfollow. So that is what if you see that is what is there in the code. Then I initialize variable to 0 because we are about to loop through all those buttons one by one. And next, this is the heart of the code. What we have done, the function clicks one button, checks if there are more, and that keeps going. So see, it keeps going. That is till you load all this. So this should be loaded. So this is how it works. And then I've added a simple, if you see, there is a timeout here. Yeah, this timeout. So why this timeout? Because if you unfollow 200 pages instantly, right? LinkedIn would be like, bro, are you even okay? So this delay makes it look more human and keeps your account safe. And finally, the final part of code, right? This confirm button. This is for the confirmation button that we get. See, if you get this right, confirm. So this is for that. So let's see how it works. I've entered the code. Just press enter. The magic starts. Okay. I think there was a timeout. Let's refresh. This will work. Just give me a minute. So these are the following, right? These many have been loaded. Now let's paste that code, JavaScript code, and then and boom, the magic starts. See, it started following all the things. So if you see in the background, this unfollowing is converting into follow. This is how we'll unfollow. And yeah, this will do for. So if the pages have not loaded, you have to just do it once again. Just paste that code again, press enter, and you can do the repetition. So let's be sure. See, it's 117 pages right now. Let's refresh. I think so now it is 95 pages. So the unfollow as well. So for similarly, these are you have to load everything, paste the code, and this uh, continues. And that's your LinkedIn feed will be clean, focused, and free from random corporate updates. So if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech hacks, and share with that one friend whose LinkedIn is too filled up. So thanks for joining. We'll catch you up in the next video. Thanks. Bye.